Modere. You've probably seen that viral spoon, that fat blaster, that chocolate goodness that's going to help you lose weight. That's what we're not actually going to be talking about in today's video. We're going to be talking about Modere and the business opportunity. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to link right over here for you a video that I've made about Modere's viral products, which might have been the reason why you landed on this video. And so if that is the case, I'm going to link it right over here so you can check out a little bit more about the products. And I've got a $10 off coupon for you inside of that video that I'm linking over here. But I wanted to really talk about the Modere opportunity and what it is. So some people fall upon Modere because they really love our products, but some people are falling upon it because they realize that they love the products, but maybe they want to make some money, or they're not sure if they, they want to try the products, but they also want to try to make money. So I want to talk to you today about why Modere is different and how you could benefit from it in terms of building a business online through social media. And what I'd like to say is Modere has truly solved the problems of traditional network marketing. Now, what do I mean by that? So it builds very differently in that it has a dual-sided comp plan, right? So we have got one side of our comp plan where you do not need to build a team. You can just be an affiliate of our company and earn up to 36% commission on your orders. It doesn't matter if it's the first time somebody orders or the 50th time that they order. At the comp plan, the way that it's structured is you can get rewarded and you can get celebrated without having a team. So we have the customer side of the comp plan, but then we also have the team side of the comp plan, which is where you actually do build a team if you choose to build a team, which is very different than your traditional network marketing company, because in your traditional network marketing company, you can't hit the top ranks unless your team helps you get there, which is not the case over here at Modere. Because we have two sides of the comp plan, people are getting celebrated for making sales. And what I will say is that Modere has over 85% of their orders come from customers, which is amazing, right? So you've got customers referring customers all the time, and you can earn a sizable commission off of those orders that you get. It doesn't matter how many levels deep they are and how many customers share, you still earn commission off of that. And you, like I said, you can hit the top ranks of our company, you can get recognized up on stages, you can earn our incentive trips, you can do all of that without building a team. And then the other side is the team building comp plan, right? And that's where the more, where you're helping your team succeed and you're building a team underneath you and their volume counts towards your volume. So that's one way that Modere is very different than your traditional network marketing company. Now, another thing that really drew me to Modere and is drawing people is, hey, we don't have to keep inventory, right? I know a lot of network marketing companies, you have to keep the inventory, you have to personally ship out the inventory, and we don't do that here at Modere. What we do is we have a link that we send to our customers, and actually what I love about it is that link doesn't have anywhere for them to join. There's nothing spammy about it whatsoever, but we have a link, and attached to that is a $10 off coupon on their first order, right? So they order, and then the company, Modere, will ship it directly to the consumer, the person that has bought it, and you are clean and clear, and you earn commission, and we actually get paid 2 times a day, which is amazing, right? So we get daily pay twice a day, which is really, really beneficial for anybody that's trying to build a business and wants to make a second income from their phone, right? So that's one of the other reasons that makes Modere different. What also makes Modere different is because we have that share the love or share the love coupon that we have for people, that we either have a $10 or $20 off coupon, depending on how quickly you sign up and where you are in your sales cycle, but it's anywhere from $10 to $20 that you can share that coupon with people. We don't do parties, right? We have what we call a referral post, and a referral post is one post on social media, and your customer, your friend, whoever it may be, can post one simple, easy, non-spammy post on their social media feed, and then you connect with their people, and that's the extent of how we meet more people. So we don't do any of these parties either at home or online. We build exclusively online, unless you want to build at home, but typically we teach a ton of social media marketing techniques. And so if this is something that is sounding really interesting to you, or you're like, oh wow, this sounds really awesome, what I'm going to do is in the link in the description of this video, I'm going to have you message me directly over on Facebook. You will hear back from me as a top leader over at Modere and see if it's a good fit for you. So definitely make sure you click that link and we can discuss if Modere is a good fit for you. Now, the other piece that makes Modere so amazing is the duplicatable, easy plug-and-play systems that we have for anybody that's getting started. And what I mean by this is we have for you a chat where you can plug into the team chat. You get all of the trainings inside of our Facebook group, but our secret sauce is we actually have an app that is connected and it helps you post your first social media post for the first 30 days, right? Now these are non-spammy, using attraction marketing posts that gets people to say, what are you doing? And I might be interested in that, right? So it's all curated, it's all done for you. And we have our, first original, the ATM groups, where we add people to a group, we tag them in some videos, and then we message them. And that's super duper duplicatable for anybody that is just getting started. And if anybody that knows the key to success in network marketing, it's actually helping your team win. And when you can help your team win, that's when you're going to have massive success. And so because we have these plug and play duplicatable systems, we have a way for people to get started with ease, without overwhelm, and get them going in action using attraction marketing, using branding, and connecting with your audience in a very non-spammy way. And so the last thing that I wanted to say that Modere is very different is we want you to brand yourself, right? We don't want you to be that spammy person that says, go and send 10 messages to your friends and ask them if they want to do X, Y, and Z. We really, teach you to brand yourself, to provide value to your audience. We teach you to do reach outs, but in a very non-spammy, authentic way where you're connecting and being a human first. And that is what makes, Modere and specifically my team so special, so unique, is the way that we build. And we've truly solved the problems of traditional network marketing. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, if this is something that you're like, wow, this sounds really cool, like I said, in the description of this video, I'm going to have a link for you to directly message me over on Facebook. I would love to connect with you. I would love to show you some of our simple videos that we have that talk a little bit more about the opportunity and see if it's a good fit for you. So definitely make sure you send me a message over on Facebook, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you.